Pickleball, anyone? This week in the frame shop, we're framing up these pickleball paddles for Maddie and Brianna at Workshop Studios. So when we got this order, we thought we were just going to frame up some average paddles. But when they came in, our designers had customized each one of them. They are painted and decoupaged and really cool looking. So made this job a lot more interesting and a lot more fun. Now we did a job kind of similar to this recently where the designers created their own artwork. So I'll put a link down in the description so you can go check that out. So now I'm going to take these back in the frame shop. We're going to put them in a frame and I'll be back to show you the finished result. Here we are. We did 2 of these and we'll finish this off by putting acrylic in the front of it. So I hope this inspires you to take something ordinary like pickleball paddles and turn it into something really cool like this. We're here to help you out with that. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the frame shop.